What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy Taxi on the Lens. We're back at it yet again with another episode. Today we have the lovely
Peyton.
Peyton, the lovely Peyton. Where can they find you on Instagram?
Peyton.babe with 2 E's.
Peyton.babe with 2 E's. So you guys, today we're gonna do a little bit of behind the scenes. I'm probably gonna turn this into 2 videos. I'm gonna have a behind the scenes video and then like a how to pose video. You guys are loving the how to pose. The last how to pose that I did is running up right now. Posted it yesterday and it's already at like 300 views. So it's going slowly. We just started, that's a new channel too. So I feel like it's going really good, you guys. So I wanna say thank you for you guys. This is the general intro right now, but we're about to go ahead and get into it. You'll see a little bit behind the scenes and then we'll start like a little bit of like posing and stuff like that. So probably start this one with like how to, a one light flash setup. So today I'm gonna be using the AD200 with a beauty dish, and it's the only flash I'm going to use. Everything else is just lighting that's helping light the subject. That's really it. Subject and background. These 2 lights that I have on the side are lighting the subject. This light right here, 1600 Neewer. I have the same exact one on the other side. It's going to be lighting the background. And I have 2 lights with some soft boxes that are going to be lighting the front of the subject. And then I have 1 flash that I'm going to be moving around. So that's all I'm using right now today. 1 flashlight setup. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Oh, I'm also shooting on a Sony a7S III for everybody who wants to know and who's asking. I'm trying to do more of these, keep these videos nice, swift, and everything that you guys want to see. So yeah. So you guys, we have the beauty dish. I have it set over 1:64. I have just one because it's just one channel. I have it on manual, of course. We're not no auto boys, no TTL. Hold on, let's see. All right, we're gonna do some. Just go ahead and get the tones in. I'm gonna play music in a minute. So it's okay. You'll vibe in a minute. I just wanted to get this little intro out of the way. And I got you. All right, bet. So turn this, connect it. Make sure everything's connected, you guys. Have it on the same channel. 1/28 right now. I'm gonna go down to 1/64. All right, can you just get some tones in there? Just gonna check it out and see. Which side are you gonna try to like show off more? This side? This side, right? Okay, that's your good side. All right, bet, no problem. Bet. I just like to know so that way I know where to place lights and stuff. All right, bet. Let me see. Let's see. Separate yourself from the background a little bit. Come forward right there. Don't move. I like that. Best thing is you do this, so it's like, you know, I'm pretty sure you got poses in mind. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's not. I don't really have to.
Even if it's not like off the top of my head, like, dude, I just have like folders and like albums of just concepts and everything and things I want to try and things I want to do.
I see that. I feel that one. That's lit. That's lit. That's lit. I think this was already at 100. Now you're just a memory. I'll say this lies just for sympathy. I was trying.
Is that the oil sheen spray?
Yeah.
I literally brought the same bottle.
Oh no, yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's easy to use, it's easy to apply, it's the spray. It's like,
that's what I'm saying.
It's oil.
Glow to the gods.
No, exactly. Rather than having to like rub and then do all that extra, just real quick, and then you're there. Hold on. All right, bet. Step forward 1 foot. Boom, boom. There you go. See? I'm liking it.
That look good.
I'm like, yeah, I like the depth, like the, like, you know, the depth of field. Exactly. Yeah, everything's going together. Even if it doesn't look like it, it is. Like, it's doing it. All right, ready? We're live now.
We're live.
Yeah, we're live. There we go. Hold it one more time. There we go, right there. Let me see this. There we go. Hold that one. I like that one. Hold it. So this, you guys, is called letting your model freestyle. A lot of people don't let their model freestyle. This is a freestyle. Do you see this freestyle right here? She's freestyle dancing. A lot of people don't allow their models to freestyle. Hold on, let me see. I
feel like I'm freaking like tap dancing on this thing.
Right?
With this anyway, like what's the purpose of it?
Oh, it helps you not mess up my backdrop. Because when it comes to editing, all I have to do is edit out the sides because it's clear. So it's like, I just edit out the little like dark spots of it or whatever. But yeah, so that way like, and then this lasts way longer. And then people will come up here with dirty shoes and then dirty my backdrop too, when I could just wash that and that's like glass or something.
Yeah, you should. Oh my God.
you guys have not yet, go subscribe to Taxi on the Lens on YouTube. You guys know the vibes, man. We're getting straight to it. We're messing around with the different nude tones. I don't like using the other camera, but it's easier. Like, if I use this one, it's easier because I can see everybody who's talking the stuff, like who's saying whatever. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. Oh yeah, let me show you these.
I fucks with the lighting, yeah. Those look good. Hot, I love it.
Right?
Fuck yeah. Okay.
I like this one. I want your hand, I want to fix it obviously, but, and then with your left hand, have it a little bit more back. Okay. And then like a little bit up, like with your head, like a little bit up. Okay. And I'm gonna catch you from like a side view too. So that way it's like a, you know what I mean? All right, bet. Make it happen. What it do, y'all? What it do? There we go. Yeah. There we go. Oh, one more time. Tilt your head again. Let me try to cast this light the right way this time. There we go. Hold on, full body real quick. All right, we're good on that one. The signature, hold on. I think I've seen that one before somewhere, I don't know. Hold on, pick that hair up, there you go. Yeah, it fell down. Let me see something. I wonder if I can put this back here and put it at a higher thing and see if it'll shoot further. But yeah, YouTube, so right now, I'm going down to 1/16 to see if I can make this flash shoot a little bit more power out. See what we can get from here. Let's see, there we go. Hold it, oh I like that one, I like that one, I like that. One more, don't fall, you know, balance a little bit. Try it out, there we go. All right, now do the same exact pose, other direction. Okay. What it do, gang? All right,
what it do, gang?
Just that way. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Bam, bam. All right, ready? One more. All right, hold on. Let me see something.